Hey everyone, welcome to Flavors and Fragrance Recipe. So today in my kitchen I'm going to make waffle kid special. This is a very simple easy recipe and you can make it with very few ingredients and it's quick to make. We are going to make it in silicone mold and we are going to bake them in microwave for 180 degrees for around 20 to 30 minutes. So let's begin. So for the waffle I have taken 1 cup maida which I'm going to put in this. To this maida, we're going to add 1/4 cup of powdered sugar. Make sure that you use the same ingredients in measurements because for this any kind of baking measurements are very important. So I'm putting baking soda and baking powder 1/4 teaspoon. Now to this I am going to add 2 tablespoons of ghee at room temperature, okay, like this. And now first we are going to mix this whole thing and then to this we are going to add 1 cup of milk. So let me just get my whisker and let's just mix it first. Mix the dry ingredients and now I'm going to add 1 cup of milk. That's all. These are the only ingredients needed and these are homemade waffle, no waffle mix and all. I'm putting 1 cup of milk and now let's mix all this to a smooth batter. Okay, so as you can see my batter is mixed nicely. You can see the consistency. It's like this. All right, and now we are going to pour this entire mixture into our silicone molds and bake it in the oven microwave for 25 to 30 minutes at 180-degree temperature. So let's do it. Okay, so I have taken my silicone molds and now I am going to put in the batter on this mold. Okay, so let's do it. Let's slowly put in the batter like this. A very quick, easy recipe actually. And if you have the waffle maker, then also you can do it. So we are putting the batter like this, covering it up wholly actually. And that's it. After that, you have to just bake it for 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes. Subscribe to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please hit the bell notification so that you will not miss out on any recipes from my channel. I will be posting recipes on regular basis for you all, different types of recipes. So please subscribe and do try these recipes in your home kitchen. And let me know in the comments if you like it. So now I'm going to put this in my microwave. I have preheated my microwave to 180 degrees and now we are going to put it for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, let's do it. So putting it in the microwave. At 180-degree baking for 25 to 30 minutes. Okay, so I have taken out my waffles now. They are all nice, ready, but it's very hot right now. So I'm not going to take them off. Let's cool this down first. And then I'm going to put this waffle in this rack, on this rack. So that what happens is if you put it on the rack, they will become nice crispy properly. Right now they are looking soggy like this, but don't worry, it's going to be crispy. So put it on the rack and this is how we are going to remove them. I'll just show you how we are removing. These are silicone molds, so They will get removed very fast, nicely. You see this? And then I'll tell you how to serve them also. But try to cool them and then we will remove it. Okay? Right now it's little hot. So let's just cool them. So now let's see if it's coming out. It will come out only when it is cooled down. So let me slowly take it out. And don't worry even if it breaks initially, it takes time for you to learn. See this, wow. So nice it's looking. It's better if you take this out after it's cooled down because sometimes it will break if it's hot. So once we keep it on the rack like this, it's going to be crispy. Don't keep it in the covered container. See how nice it is. And now we will serve it with chocolate sauce. You don't need any waffle batter. And instead of maida, if you want, you can also use your whole wheat flour, or you can make a mix of both. So this is how it's looking right now, and we are going to garnish it with chocolate sauce. Okay, so this is how our waffles are looking now, and now I'm going to plate them. So let's take a plate and let's put in our waffles. You can serve them with chocolate sauce. I'm going to serve them with chocolate sauce. My kids love chocolate sauce, so I'm going to serve them with chocolate sauce. You can even put waffle syrup. So that's it. Just pour in your chocolate sauce over your waffles and they are ready to serve. Kids are going to love it. Do try this recipe in your home kitchen and let me know in the comments if you like it. Alright, enjoy with your loved ones. Until next time, it's bye from Deepali. See you again with tasty new interesting recipe. Take care and don't forget to subscribe to my channel.